Hello, beautiful eyeshadow lovers and painting fanatics. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my finale for my How I Met Your Mother project pan. Ugh, I'm a little sad. If you haven't been on my channel before, you wouldn't know, but I hate finales so much. I really do. I think they're just a time to reflect on your projects, and granted, ending projects gets me into being able to do more projects, but I just don't like it when things end. Except for school, I love it when that ends. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit of background of this project. Now, this project was created by Eliza Eustace. She used to be here on YouTube. I don't know if many of you remember her. I think she had about 200, 300 subscribers before she just deleted her profile. And I joined in with her, and she left without a word. I don't know what happened, but I hope she's okay. Regardless, I adopted it and kept going. And then, when was it? July, my good friend Nat decided to come along and join me in this project, which I'm so thankful for her. Please go check her out. She is so close to, I think it's 300 or 400 subscribers. I am so proud of you, Nat, and please go watch her. She's just an amazing and beautiful and wonderful and sweet lady. I just adore her. She's the only other YouTuber that I've met in person, so I can truly tell you how much I love her. Like, I'm not just saying it. She's a really good person, even in person. So, now, let's go ahead. So in June, I had asked people to go ahead and join me in this project if they wanted to, and Nat was the only one that joined. So if that doesn't tell you how good of a person she is, like, I can't help her, because I just feel like I asked and she was there, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. Now, I have finished altogether 10 items in this project, right? Isn't that insane? I have finished 3 eyebrow pencils. I've hit pan on 1 eyeshadow. I've completed 2 lip glosses, completed 1 blush, 1 loose powder, 1 face toner, and 1 pressed powder. That is insane. Round of applause for me. Okay, that might be a braggy moment to you guys, but I need that in my life right now. I'm moving. My life is hectic. I need a bragging moment, okay? Alright, this first item is supposed to represent Lily and Marshall. They are the dynamic duo. They are unstoppable, unbeatable, and just amazing. So the only duo product that I have in my collection was this iconic London Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. Now, this product says it has 6 grams in here. In the last month, I have used 0.2 grams. It's gonna take me forever, but this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used this 21 times in the last month and 52 times altogether. And in those 52 times, I have used a 0.6 grams. What? And it's supposed to have 6 grams of product? What? That's insane. If that's so, it's gonna take me forever to use up that product. And I have a second one waiting for me that I won in a giveaway. What? I'm screwed. Alright, let's go with the second item, which was, it was supposed to represent Robin from Robin Sparkle. Now, if you have not seen the show, I'll give you a spoiler. Robin Sparkle is not her second personality, but when she was a teenager, she was a pop artist, and her name was Robin Sparkle, okay? So, that was supposed to be her, and I remember Eliza's thing was, like, preferably something that you got at the mall, because she sang the song Let's Go to the Mall. It's just, It's a great show, okay? I just can't help you if you don't understand. But I was using this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, the Ultra Glitter in Frog, and this I was trying to complete. If you can see all that pan along the side, altogether I've used it 52 times. 52, just like the last one, 52 times. But 52 times over a long duration. But 52 times, 52. It's insane. 52, and I was unable to complete it. Sometimes you can't win them all. Alright, I'm not going to be too stressed about that. I'm just going to put it in another project in 2020 and complete it. Yes, that is the goal. I'm a little salty. Just, you know, I'm the person that's like, oh, I finished 10 items. Why couldn't I finish 15? Alright, the third item is to represent Barney the Bachelor. Now, this could have been a single eyeshadow, single something, anything. A single blush, anything. Just a singular item. Now, for the first half of the project, I had used a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Issues, which, if we all know, Barney has issues. If you've seen the show, you would know. Issues galore. And after 35 times, I hit pan. Yes? I was using this as not only a transition color, but also a blush. It was amazing, and I loved it. Now, the second half of the project, I used this eyeshadow called Wait For It. Now, I have used this 36 times, and according to this 35 times, I should have hit pan in this one, but I didn't. Now, granted, I was not using this as a blush until recently, but I did hit a pretty good dip. I used it as a blush today, and I have it in my crease. You see this pinky color up here? That's this right here. Now, I used this 36 times overall together. I was thinking, oh, well, it's going to be easy. I'm going to hit pan in it. I can do this 35 times, no problem. For what, 5 months? No problem. But I didn't. But I luckily am trying to hit pan next year in 30 eyeshadows. So this is going to be one of the first top 5, 10 I'm going to hit pan on, and I am going to make sure that I hit pan on. These ColourPop shadows are just ridiculous. I tried so hard and got so far, but it didn't even matter. And why am I singing that song but just talking? Okay, but I got so far, and it's okay. Next year, or by the time you're seeing this, it's going to be January 1st. Today I'm filming this December 18th. I feel like if I had the 2 weeks left, 13 days, no, this video is coming out in 2 weeks from today. I feel like if I actually did it in these 2 weeks, I would hit pan. Oh well. Oh well. That's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna Grushfraba. Okay. Next is to represent Ted in these god-awful red cowboy boots. I am from Texas, and I don't like these red cowboy boots, okay? That is saying something. But it was supposed to be a product that no one else liked, but you liked. Now, I liked to pan, I like, and I still like to pan eyeshadows. And I also like to pan pressed powders. I know that's weird, but this is something I got from my dear sweet friend Laura. I will link her as also down below from Gold Star Work. She sent me this banana powder from Australis. Australis. Oh, I feel like I always mess up that name. But I completed it! I completed it today. I'm so excited. Yes, it was such just like, yes, I finished it. All right, I have used this product altogether 38 times. And I mainly put it all over my face after I put on my foundation, so when I put on my blush, it's easier to blend out. Yes, I hope that makes sense. But this last month, I have used it 23 times, and I finished it. I'm so excited. It makes me so thrilled to be done with another pressed powder, even though it's so tiny. I finished it. That's what matters to me. And I am going to be keeping around the packaging because I'm a weirdo and I do that. Not only because it works as a packaging. If I ever wanted to put a pressed shadow in here, just a highlight, franken anything, I have this. So keeping this around, I'm very excited. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, let's move on to the last item that I finished as well. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. It's done, and I can't show you the thing. Now, these are all my lines. It was actually down here. I didn't make a new line, but that's okay. I have used this altogether 78 times. Now, for your money, it's worth it. 2 months, and it's only like 10 bucks. Heck yes, it's worth it. I have had $10 items that are done in like a month, you know? But for 2 months, that's perfect. 78 times, beautiful. It's worth it, I think, in my eyes. This last month, I had used it 13 times, and I loved it. I actually really did love it. I don't know what it's made for. As bad as that sounds, I have no idea, but yeah. The reason why I said it works for 2 months is because use ideally in the PM no more frequently than once per day. Yeah, once per day. It was great. And it started up here, which isn't where even the bottle started. I'm pretty sure it's completely full. So if anything, it was longer than 78 times. Isn't that awesome for a product? I think that's wonderful and beautiful. But that is it for me. Please go check out Nat. I'm sorry that I keep moving you guys. Anyway, but this is my finale. It makes me so sad to have this be done, but I hope you all have a wonderful and fantastic day. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like project pans. I have so many more coming. I have a 30 by 30 with eyeshadow coming. Actually, no, by the time you see this, it will already be a 30 by 30 eyeshadow edition, 30 by 30 facial care, skin care, hair care, all that. I have a Partners in Cream coming out. I have a Significant Others project pan. I have a new Decade project pan. I have all these projects, and I love them. So I will leave links for you guys down below, some video ideas for you guys up above, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!